Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to master stacking images and creating cool effects in Canva? Let's dive in. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, choose Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. After setting your canvas size, go to the Elements section. From there, select Photos to browse and add images to your design workspace. Locate the sign you want to use within your document. Next, find a suitable border to highlight or separate the sign from other elements. Once you've selected both, add the border around the sign to clearly distinguish it and enhance its visual impact. Type Family into the search bar to filter results and quickly find what you need in the list. Let's add this image by clicking the Upload button, selecting your file, and placing it exactly where you want. Next, add a background color to your design. Select the background layer, then choose the Color Picker tool. Select black from the color options and apply it to the background. This sets a solid black background color, helping your content stand out clearly against the dark backdrop. Select the image you want to work with by clicking on it. Next, locate the background section or tool in the sidebar. Then choose the option to remove or change the background as needed. Use the background remover tool to eliminate the unwanted background. Next, click and drag the corner handles to enlarge the frame to your desired size. This lets you focus attention on your subject and better fit the new background or layout for your project. You can also enlarge this image by selecting it and using the resize handles to make the family picture bigger as needed. Right-click the image and select Layers, then choose Show Layers. In the Layers panel, you'll see all the layers available. To rearrange them, simply drag your selected image above the family image layer. This changes the stacking order, allowing the selected image to appear on top of the family photo. Click the image to select it, then use the handles or drag the corners to adjust the size as needed for your project. Insert the element into the image by dragging and dropping it into place. If needed, adjust its position by clicking and dragging it slightly downward until it looks right. Use the alignment guides to help center the element within the image for a balanced and professional appearance. Click the Edit button to customize your image further. Add a glow effect for emphasis by selecting Glow. To change the color, choose from the available options, such as red or gold, to match your design. Experiment until you achieve your desired appearance. Type Cool Background in the search bar. Browse through the available options until you find one you like. Click on your preferred background to select it. You'll see a preview appear on your workspace. If you want to try a different background, simply click on another option and it will update automatically. To finalize your choice, click the Apply or Set as Background button, depending on your software. You can continue to explore and experiment with different backgrounds as needed. Adjust the background settings, such as brightness or blur, to fit your project. This process helps you quickly customize your workspace's appearance for your presentation or content. Click the Share button, then select Download. To improve quality, adjust the size before downloading your file. Increasing the size will enhance the resolution for better results. Now you can layer images like a pro in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.